What is going on, everybody on YouTube? Max Rock here with a brand new video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. One I'm pretty excited about. This is the Vivo, or the Blu Vivo 1 Plus. I want to see what Blu had to offer here. I want to give them another shot. And so I figured this would be the perfect phone to do so. Let's go over the specs really quickly here. A 5.9 inch HD plus 18:9 widescreen there. So basically, you know, huge screen. It's going to take up most of the front of the phone. Got curved glass. It has 268 pixels per inch. It has a quad-core processor at 1.3 gigahertz, 16 gigs of internal memory, 2 gigs of RAM, 13 megapixel main camera with LED flash, and a 13 megapixel selfie camera with LED flash, and Blu's Final Touch, whatever that is. Advanced security fingerprint sensor. You got 4G LTE bands here in this phone. It can support a micro SD card up to 64 gigabytes. It has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, Android 7.1 Nougat, and a metal housing design. All for $159.99. The kitchen unboxing knife, not the giant unboxing knife, the kitchen. So we're gonna go ahead and slide into this here. Okay, gotta be careful because we don't want to unbox our skin from our fingers. You know what I mean? I can just pull it now. All right, get rid of the knives and sharp objects, y'all. All right, come on out. Don't be shy. Come on. Now, that's a nice secure box there. Take it out, package in here. See, here's the phone. Charging port is on the top of the phone, which is one of the weirdest things. Got the headphone jack on top. The power button is on the right side of the device here. You can't really differentiate the power button from the volume up and down keys, but you can see that the other two are closer, so obviously that is it there. I believe the speaker is on the bottom here, as you can see. You got the microphone. All right, but we got the camera there in the front, you can see. Camera there in the back with LED flash, like it's a dual tone LED flash. So that should be interesting. Let's go ahead and continue to open the box here, because you know you get some more goodies with Blu phones. So you get a Blu sticker. Here's the case here with the little zebra pattern on the back. I'm not sure why they did this. Why can't it just be a clear cover case? But I guess they got to do some type of branding there. You get a pair of headphones, which is kind of nice, and maybe using those. Your USB cable, your charging brick here, and here is the screen protector that it comes with. It's a little flimsy screen protector, so I think I would just rather not use it. So close this back up. Put the knife back in the kitchen because I am not that safe with knives. And I'm back. So the phone itself does have a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. Let's see if it has some juice in it. All right, it's powering on. Let's take this screen protector off here. Let's put it right by the mic. It looks like it already has a screen protector running, which is kind of cool. Why is this box so hard to open? What I'm gonna do here is just go ahead and end the video here because there's no need to actually keep going. I'm gonna have the first impressions on the way. Trust me, you know I will. And we're gonna put this phone to the test and actually just use it for a few days or so before I do the first impression and get all my information in. So I'm gonna end this video here, you guys. So of course, like the video if you haven't liked it already. Leave a comment if you want to see anything in the future here, specifically with the Blu Vivo 1 Plus. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already, and if you do decide to subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so that anytime a video is posted in the future, you'll be notified immediately. But until then, my name is Max Rock. I want to say thank you, of course, for watching this video, and you have a good day. Deuces.